Yeah.
Yeah, we got a Ford baler.
Unless the antifreeze is about 10 degrees and last winter.
It doesn't look bad. The antifreeze come out the
Oh, I know it looks.
but it doesn't. I don't
Well,
agree. It drives boats.
the fella said he was going to bale hay last year. That twine looks like 10 years old.
I would say we was gonna bale hay last year. So we fix it. The property project just by day.
Tires, no good. One flat. Don't look too terrible bad. Replacement seat. Oh, we'll get back a little. Check the oil. Antifreeze comes out. Grab all the fan.
It didn't say.
It don't do a thing. Front tires are shot. Fuel pump's leaking.
$7,500.
How many hours for an oil filter change?
134.
Huh?
134.
What?
134 hours since changed oil.
In other words, thing's been running 134 hours in the last 10 years.
8 years.
8 years. Oh, it's got a good wheel. And a baler. Could be used, but it looks like a parts baler maybe. Alright. Oh, hay rakes had new teeth. New idea with a round belt. Worth $300 on a good day.
Yeah.
Haybine here. Who knows where the PTO shaft is?
Let me see here.
Oh, it might be all right.
Thanks for on a little wobble box.
That could be worth $500 on a good day.
Rolls are going falling apart.
Rolls falling apart. All right, it's worth $300.
To it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. What's a hay rake worth? 100 and
100.
a half?
100.
100, 100 and a quarter, 100 and a quarter, 100 and a quarter, 100 and a half, 100 and a half, 100 and a half, 175, 200,
Oh, well.
200. One time I'll loan you $1. 200, 200, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter, 225, 25, got 200, but I want a 225, 225, 225, 250. Turn back around here. 250, you got 2 and a quarter now, 250, 250 on a 50 on a 50 on a 250, 250, 250. And I sold it for 2 and a quarter right here, number 9. Same number, using the same one you just used. And I'll ask you again. I don't do. Hard to believe. Been doing this 22 years. I don't do numbers.
Baler.
The baler.
No,
That's what's on the back of the tractor.
Yeah, yeah.
On the baler.
And there's 4 something in the garage.
2 bales of twine up front there.
Two of them. I thought you said there's 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Two bales. 2 bales, 4 balls.
Yep.
Whatever he said's up there. Goes with that there. Okay, here we go. Give me 500 to go. 5, 4, 3, 300, 3 on, 3 on, 3 on, 3. How about just 200 to get her going?
50.
200, got 50, 50, down 75, 50, 75, 75, 75. You want a good baler? Got 50, 75, 75, and $100 to you, sir. $100 to you. $100 to you. You
Yeah.
have to be with me. 100 a quarter, 100 a quarter, 125, 125, 25. Got 100, but I want 125. 125, 125, 125. You done? You done? I'm at 100, looking for 1 and a quarter. 100 a quarter, 100 a quarter, 100 a quarter. Anybody want 100 a quarter? Your way, $100.
3.
Buy her 3.
That's
What's
me-
next, Benny?
Sickle
Sickle bar mower.
That's the thing over in the corner.
That's up there by the fence. On the sickle bar mower, give me 200 and go. 200, 2 on, 2 on, 2 on, 200, 200, 200. Give me $100 to get
25.
25, 25, 25, 50, 25, 50, 75. 75, 75, 75, 75,
60.
60, 60, 70, no more cuts, 70, 80.
I don't want.
80, I got 70 now, 80, 7 now, 80 on 80 on 80 now, 90, and 100, and $100 to you, $100, got 90, 100, 110, 110, 120, 120, 120, 120, got 110, but I want a 120, anybody want it? 120, 120. Sold, 110. Number.
Yeah, I forgot to turn this camera on quick enough. The Ford tractor went for $12.50, and my boy bought it. And I got the baler, so they're supposed to pull them out, and I guess we'll have to come get them this afternoon. That's all.